Alright, on this video, I'm going to be reviewing percents of numbers and money amounts, and I'm going to show you two different ways that you could solve these questions. These questions you could see on your IXLs or on the assessments for this week. So problem number one says, what is 80% of 70? And the first possible way that you could solve this is simply taking the percentage they give you, 80%, and first changing it into a decimal. And how we would do that is we would divide it by 100. So I would take 80 divided by 100. You can do that on your calculators, and you'll get a decimal of 0.8. After that, we would take that decimal and we would multiply it by the other number they give us, so 70. So I would take 0.8, multiply it by 70, and that would get us our answer. So 0.8 times 70, and that would get us an answer of 56. So 56 is 80% of 70. So that is one possible way that you could solve a problem like this. Problem number two says complete the following statement. 140% of $70 is blank. So the second way I'm going to show you how to do is to set up a proportion. And how that proportion should look is you would take the percent they give you, put it over 100, and then you would set it equal. And how I'm going to phrase this next one is the words is over of. Okay, now we need to look at the problem to kind of give us those context clues of what number should go where. So since 140% is a percentage, we're going to put that number here in our proportion. The 100 always stays the same. Now the is over the of, that depends on the numbers they give you and where the words are in the question. So notice that the number 70 comes after the word of. So we are going to put 70 on the bottom of our fraction. So it's going to look like this. 140 over 100 equals, now since I have nothing for the word is, I'm going to put, that's my missing value, I'm going to put it as x, my variable, over 70. Now that we have a proportion, what we can do is cross multiply. So then I would have 100x equals 140 times 70. 140 times 70 is 9,800. Then to get x by itself, we just divide both sides by 100. So x would come out to be 98. So you could use either method to solve problem number 3. Okay, those are, again, the two methods that you could use here. What is 81% of 600? So again, they give us a percentage, and then they give us a value of 600. So if I set up my proportion, it would be 81 over 100 equals x over 600. If I cross multiply, I get 100x equals 81 times 600, which if I do on my calculator, I get 48,600. Then again, I divide both sides by 100 to get x by itself. And x should come out to be 486.